why does Toon Polishing cost so much? Let me show you right quick. When I just take it in and get the whole entire tune, I'm working in like 6 or 12 inches at a time. Take this little brush right here, spur it out. Look at all the aluminum metal in the pad. I got earplugs in, mask on. I'm super dirty. Gonna make my shower black here in a little bit. I do that, and I take this, do that again, and I do the whole process all over. And what you just seen in that video, I just got that little bit of area done.